Welcome back to CES 2026. I'm here with Thunder Robot, a brand you need to keep your eye on this year, as they showed up with one of the thinnest gaming laptops I've ever seen, which comes in a frame at just 15.9 millimeters and weighing in at just 1.59 kilograms. The latest Series 3 Intel Core Ultra processors and up to an NVIDIA RTX 5070, which when you pair that up with a QHD Plus OLED 165Hz display, 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1TB SSD, this thing is impressive, making this one of the most powerful gaming laptops at this size. And I almost forgot to mention that it's that thin and still has an RJ45 jack, which is really cool. No wonder it's called the Thunder Robot Zero Air. But that's not the only cool product that Thunder Robot's got here, because they have everything from an all-new monitor with what's called a focus sound screen that eliminates your need for headphones, as it's got a cool trick up its sleeve, because off-axis I can't hear anything, but if I just step into a box on the middle of this floor here, all of a sudden I can hear everything. I'm not sure if that's being picked up, but I can hear that completely clear now. And if you're curious how this actually works, because it's pretty cool, well, the Focus Sound technology made in collaboration with Oddfly, well, is actually a set of speakers that's behind the display that you can't see, but you can hear if you're in the right spot. As the speakers aren't just under the display, they're also directed to a very specific point that you set, like this box here, allowing you to get audio without headphones or some kind of speaker that might annoy the person next to you. Definitely an innovation I'm happy to see. Thunder Robot also has some brand new mini PCs that caught my attention, like the new Thunder Robot Mix Gaming 2, which is an absolute console killer, with specs including an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX and up to an RTX 5090 and this slim 3.4 liter chassis that's ready to game. And although this system's pretty cool, the one that really caught my eye was this little mini workstation, not because of its super impressive I/O or massive heatsink, takes up most of the space of this body, but rather what I always love to see is some kind of serviceability latch like this one, which if I just pop open, reveals 3 M.2 slots. 2 of them are for 2280 drives and the other one looks to be for like a 2230 or maybe a Wi-Fi card, giving you some real serviceability and upgradability behind just this little magnetic panel, which I think is pretty sweet. And then of course, what would a Thunder Robot booth be without talking about some gaming laptops? Like their 016 Pro gaming laptop that's equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra HX processor, paired up with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 laptop GPU, 32 gigs of RAM because they can still get it in a 1TB SSD. Also that you can drive this beautiful 16-inch QHD 360Hz panel that's super smooth. And then if that's not enough performance for you, one of the most powerful gaming laptops that you can buy is the 018 Pro. I actually made a video on this recently, you should definitely check it out, because this thing is an absolute beast. Because thanks to the larger size and Thunder Robot's cooling design, they were able to cram in an RTX 5090 laptop GPU, up to 64 gigabytes of RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, with some room for upgradability if you check out my video. It's definitely the most powerful laptop I've ever tested. With all that said, Thunder Robot has a lot of cool stuff coming out, and I just want to say a huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video and flying us out for coverage of CES 2026, because without them and of course you guys, this trip wouldn't be possible for us to show the latest innovations when it comes to technology, like all these amazing products that Thunder Robot's been showing off. So if you guys don't mind, go ahead and show some love to Thunder Robot in the comments down below. I'll have all their information linked in the description as well if you guys want to go ahead and check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.